Do you know how to write the letter Y?
How?
Let's use a blue crayon and follow the arrows to write the uppercase Y.
Sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr. D is for dog with a happy
Uppercase
fur.
Y.
Sing with me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily.
Y.
J, K, we laugh and play, learning letters every day.
Uppercase Y. Let's use a purple crayon and follow the arrows to write the lowercase y.
G is for goat, climbing so high. H
Lowercase
is for hat,
y.
reaching to the sky. B, E, sing with me. E, F, G, H,
Y.
dance so happily. I, J, K, we laugh
Lowercase y. Good job! We have circles with lots of different colors. Let's point to each one and say its color. Green, yellow, orange, pink,
I is for igloo, cold
brown,
and round.
red,
J is for jump up
blue.
off the ground. K is
Let's
for
find
kite,
the
flying
yellow
so
one.
free. Let's sing more, come follow me. Find M-N-O-P.
Here it is.
Ride. Q-R-S-T. Clap with pride.
The yellow circle. Yellow starts with the letter Y. Y is for yellow. What else can you think of that's yellow? That's right. A chick is yellow too. Let's find more yellow things with our little chick friend. This is a giraffe. A giraffe is yellow too. It has a yellow body with brown spots. This is a bee. A bee has yellow stripes. What else can we find? That's right. Corn. Corn is yellow too. Shall we color the corn yellow?
B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat with a funny purr.
Yellow.
D is for dog with a happy fur. B, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily. I, J, K, we laugh and play, learning letters every day. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for fish, swimming in a crowd. G is for goat, climbing so high. H is for hat, reaching to the sky. B, come and sing with me. E, F, G, H, dance so happily. I, J, K, we laugh and play, learning letters every day. Like is for igloo, cold and round. J is for jump up off the ground. K is for kite, flying so free. Let's sing more, come follow me. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3s. Let's go learn, you and me. The alphabet is fun. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3s.
Good job! There are many different letters here. Can you find the letter Y? Let's point to each one and find the letter Y.
I is for igloo, cold and loud.
Found it! Uppercase Y.
Is for fish swimming in a crowd.
Found it!
Is for goat,
Lowercase
climbing so
y.
high.
Good job!
H is for hat, reaching to the sky. Now we know our ABCs, singing, dancing, 1, 2, 3s. Let's go learn, you and me. The alphabet is fun. Do, oh, do, do, ooh, 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 do, do, ooh. Do, oh, do, ooh, ooh. The alphabet is fun.
Good job!